Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a black aesthetic filter on Capcut by using the color adjustments. So in here, you just need to import your clips to Capcut and go to adjust and follow this setting. So for the brightness, lower it into -30. Then click on the contrast and increase it to 15. Click on the saturation, lower it into -10 and exposure -15. Click on the sharpen and increase it into 45. Then click on the HSL and lower the saturation of all colors into -20. Okay, lower it into -20. Okay, the last color, and go back, click on the highlight, oops, and lower it into -20. Lastly, go to shadow and lower it into -10. So you'll have that aesthetic black filter for your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next following videos. Bye.